Not once, not twice, but thrice in American history, the candidate with the most votes from the people actually lost because of the Electoral College.
4 times now. This has happened 4 times.
3 errors in 55-plus elections is a failure rate of 5%.
7%.
Would anyone tolerate a sport where, by a quirk of the rules, there was a
7%.
chance that the loser would win? Not likely.